Okay guys, so today we're going to show you about our video walls. So of course this video wall that we've got going on at the background, this is 222-inch video wall. At the moment I can see that we're showing our thermal imaging video that's available on YouTube. There'll probably be a reference below. And then of course I want to show you that this wall is in fact actually made up of hundreds of these type of panels. Now as you can actually see from the panels, that of course it is actually full of pixels. There's some instructions on the guide of which way the actual panel should be installed, and you can see that there's plenty of electronics behind here. Now between the actual pixels, it will in fact actually be as low as 1.6 millimeters between those pixels to be able to generate a excellent picture quality, just like that 4K video wall, for example. Just to show you the detail of the pixels on each panel, take a look at this. Look how small each pixel is. That's amazing. There are many different variations of this. Indoor, outdoor. We also have like a retail video wall that we use for like the entertainment sector as well. So of course, like in this case here, we can also use a outdoor environment, and that's whenever they in fact actually cover it with a particular type of paint to in fact actually make it resistant against bad weather conditions. The actual panels can also create a slight curve, not much, 3 to 5 degrees, but then of course if you have enough of them, and of course your video wall is large enough, you can actually do a curved video wall as well as. What I'm going to do here now is I'm going to connect this into our video wall here, and of course you're going to be able to see the real true detail of ultra high definition. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, I need to add this panel, and on the back of the panels there are arrows pointing up to indicate which direction the panel should be installed in. So nice and simply, I'm just going to line that up nice and gently, and that's it, it's installed, no problem. Each video wall comes with its magnetized extractor. So of course what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my panel. I'm going to gently put my magnetizer on there. And then of course, out comes the panel. I can do that at any position on this video wall. Okay guys, thanks for attending. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and then like this video. All the best.